Welcome to this Getting Started video, which introduces the WebFOCUS Business User Edition environment. WebFOCUS Business User Edition is a self-service analytics solution for groups of business users and analysts. It is not only a web-based environment, but also a multi-user, server-based product designed with a user interface that is oriented towards non-technical users. Since WebFOCUS Business User Edition is a workgroup product, it is recommended to be installed on a server. Multiple users in your organization can then access WebFOCUS Business User Edition through a web browser. Open a web browser and enter the URL using the following format that points to the server, which is hosting WebFOCUS Business User Edition. When the sign-in page opens, you can do the following. 1. Choose your language. 2. Access the Information Builder's website and Information Center. And 3. Type the credentials of the manager user or other users. In this video, we sign in using the manager user credentials that were configured during the installation. The portal opens and brings you to the Getting Started page by default. Manager users automatically see this page when they sign in for the first time. All other users see the home page by default. The main components of the portal include the Getting Started page, the home page, which provides access to the Resources tree and Quick Links tab, and the menu bar. From the Getting Started page, as a manager user, you can view a series of overview videos, begin using the Upload and Connect to data wizards, and access the Information Center. In addition to this WebFOCUS Business User Edition environment overview video, you can also watch overview videos that show how you can use InfoAssist Plus to create content and how you can access data to begin using the software. When you click Upload Data, the Upload wizard and corresponding overview video launch. When you click Connect to Data, the Connect to Data wizard and corresponding overview video launch. If the corresponding videos do not automatically launch for you, your browser may be blocking them. You can change this by clicking the pop-up blocker message for your browser and selecting the option to allow pop-ups for the WebFOCUS Business User Edition website. And if you want to access additional Getting Started resources, click the Information Center link. On the home page, the Resources tree provides access to a database and repository where your data and content are stored. The top node of this tree is called Domains. Below this node are two sample domains, the Getting Started domain and the Retail Samples domain. The Getting Started domain is a sample domain, or sandbox, where new users can begin using the WebFOCUS Business User Edition by uploading data and generating sample analytics content. The Retail Samples domain contains the sample data and content examples such as reports, charts, documents, and visualizations that are packaged with the software. As a manager user, you can open and edit these samples in InfoAssist Plus and save them to your My Content folder under the Getting Started domain using a different name. The Resources tree also contains the Favorites and Change Management nodes. You can use these options after content has been created. When you save a report as a favorite, it is added under the Favorites node, where it can be accessed easily each time you sign in. If you have test and production environments of Business User Edition, you can use Change Management to move content between them. Right-clicking items in the Resources tree opens shortcut menus with the available options that are specific to the item that you choose. For example, when you right-click Domains, you can access the options that are available for domains. When you right-click My Content, notice that the options are different, and you can access options to create new content and upload or connect to data. It is also important to understand that manager users, developers, advanced users, and basic users have different access to these menu options. That access is determined by the group of users to which you are assigned. Specifically, if you sign in as an advanced user and right-click Domains, some of the options you could access as the manager user are not available. Users can also have access to different options in different domains. For example, if you are a developer in the sales domain, and a basic user in the marketing domain, you can only access the options of the group you are assigned to in each domain. From the menu bar, you can change your password, access tools and administration options to manage views of the portal, and open the Resources tree, which is useful when you create a personal page. You can also view the online help and other resources, and sign out of the WebFOCUS Business User Edition. Similar to the shortcut menus in the Resources tree, not all users can see these options. Using the example of the advanced user, when you sign in, notice that you only have access to the options that allow you to change your password, access tools in the online help, and sign out. From the home page, you can also access the quick links that are available based on the group that you belong to for each domain. As the manager user, This includes links to create a new domain, manage users, configure system settings, connect to and upload data, create content, access Video Assist, and the Information Center. When you sign in as a different user, or select a different domain in the resources tree, the quick links that are available to you change. In addition to the options that we have already highlighted, you can also access other tools to configure your environment, create content, and use your content. To configure your environment, you can use the Administration console, which can be launched in one of the following ways. On the menu bar, click Administration, and then click Administration Console. On the home page, under Quick Links, click Configure System. This launches the console in a new Browser tab. Here you can update settings that are available on the Configuration, Security, and Reportcaster tabs, or troubleshoot issues using the Diagnostics tab. To create content, you launch InfoAssist Plus in one of the following ways. Under a domain or in a folder, point to New and click Report, Chart, Document, or Visualization. Under the quick links on the home page, click Report, Chart, Document, or Visualization. Learn more about how to create content in the InfoAssist Plus Getting Started video. You can schedule and distribute content by email. Right-click your report and click Schedule. This launches Reportcaster, where you can schedule and distribute your reports. For more detailed information about how you can use the WebFOCUS Business User Edition, access the online help, or visit the Information Center. From the Information Center, you can access additional Getting Started resources, such as the Technical Library and Video Assist Technical Video Repository.